Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your weekly Bitcoin analysis for the week of Monday, July 13th, 2026. I start with this chart. This is a weekly chart, same exact chart throughout the entire video. I zoom in just a moment here. 64,001 long-term, nearly 9-year channel bottom. We've closed below a couple of times the last couple of months. We're still right there. I can't really call this yet a sell signal rejection that would anticipate higher trade. I do think the emphasis is still to the downside. 49,363 wouldn't surprise me over the next few months. And as we continue, I don't know, this could be over the next full year. I do think that is what is clearly possible. Although as this market has hesitated, the sell signal below 64,000 has not followed through. I'm leaning more toward 49,363. This is obviously a part of a kind of a sloppy head and shoulders possibility, but I don't want to ignore 49,363 as a level that may contain, selling pressures on more than just a weekly or monthly basis, may actually contain selling pressures longer term. So if you're not, how do I put this? If you are long Bitcoin now, I'm going to give you the bottom line, and that is closing this week above 65,855 is a sigh of relief. If you're looking to go long a Bitcoin in the next week or two or next month or two, it is a settlement above 65,855. That is once again a rejection of a long-term sell signal below 64,001 and would then likely yield within, I'd say, a month or two, 81,730. I think that would be realistic. So you're going long with a settlement above 65,855, anticipating 81,730. Until then, you're either out or short Bitcoin in its many forms. That could be out of the money puts on certain Bitcoin-related ETFs, et cetera, et cetera. So 64,001, if we close below it this week, we remain bearish. 49,363 in reach over the next several months, and the possibility exists over the next full year of the mid to upper 10,000 region. This becomes clearly indicated if we were to close below this low. But right now, I do think that this is a possibility, and then I'm going to say a probability below 49,363. But I think I'm just going to take you back to this chart. It is a buy signal above 65,855 that indicates the low 80,000 region within a month or two of trade. Until then, nothing to do in Bitcoin, in my opinion. I'm going to leave it at that for this week's Bitcoin analysis.